Hey, if you want to control music from your smartphone using HUAWEI Watch Fit SE, you can simply do this. So first I'm gonna play this song, and now what you have to do is to click on this side button 2 times, and now when you get this menu, you will have to locate music. So in my case, it's above the notifications, and when you click on it, you can actually play and pause music. Take a look. You can also go forward, change between songs by using these arrows, and also you can change the volume level. So you have to keep tapping on this icon. Now it is without the sound because I just turn on the do not disturb mode on my phone. That's why everything is muted, but normally when you didn't turn on the do not disturb mode, you will actually hear this song. So from here you can adjust this sound level. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.